So Paula's Choice has been one of my favorite brands for years. So this is actually a gift to me from the brand, but it's always a Wicked Man's opinion. So unfortunately, I suffer from acne, and I also get it like on my décolletage, but I also get it on my back. And that's for me one of the hardest spots to get. So that's why when they had this acne for body spray, or acne body spray, I had to try it. So this is actually a 2% salicylic acid. And this is great for those hard to reach spots. And that's especially like back here that I find that it's really hard to get. So what I really like about this can kind of help you from any angle that you can spray like down, like it got like half my back, that one spray. And this will stop any like acne, any bad breakouts, fast and easy to use. And this is great to kind of like throw in a gym bag or anything like that. This also has barberry extract, which will soothe any sensitive skin and provides potent antioxidant benefits. I'm gonna start to spray here. This actually provides licorice extract, which will soothe redness and other visible signs of irritation. And salicylic acid, like I said, this has 2%. So this is a BHA penetrates deep into pores, clears breakouts sooner. So what I like about Paula's Choice always is based on their research, their science, and they just use really good ingredients, really good formulations, and I seem to always trust what they say, that they've done their research, that what they're putting out is a great kind of proven product. So if you're looking for something to help with acne, hard to reach acne, or if you just want something in a spray form that's really easy, especially if you have like on your arms or anything, this is the one you need.